don't believe it. What the happened? As we're doing the pistons, it tipped over. These are all bent and a piece broke off from there. There's a lot of damage on the engine. Damage there, got damage there, got damage there. Don't believe it. It's finally getting there. Now I got this. God damn it. The top half of the crankcase just took the full blow. This is all I lost. Look at all these things. This one took the full blow. This one got some, so it's especially these two that took the full blow. But I have to be realistic about this. Could have been a lot worse. This side cover could have broken. This cover could have broken. In the end, I think if I put it all together, I should be fine. So we're a few days further. I replaced these two studs with the used ones I got from a demolition company. They were fine, and this one's brand new. So I'm just gonna install that here, and then studs are repaired. Also put in a new stator with a cable. So this is a used one as well. I measured it through with continuity, and it was fine. So nearly all the damage is now, the main damage done, so I can finally put on the head. So that's pretty cool. So the piston, there is a little mark on here which I have extra marked out by using a black marker, but that is the front end, so that's important to remember. Now in the manual, there's a couple of things that are important to remember. First part is there are 4 rings. These are the ones that go with this. So there's that. And there's these 2 rings. Now there is one that has a straight edge, which is this one. And there's one that has a tapered edge, which is this one. The top ring will be lighter than the second ring. Now I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this one is lighter color-wise than that one. And you can see the marks, which should say N, but these got R. And they should face a certain way. Another part to remember, line up around the piston. So this is the piston, so X, which is this way, arrow is that way, side rail. So this one should go with the gap over there. That one should go over there. The second ring, which is this one, should go over there with the gap. And a top ring with the gap over here. And that is how they should go on.
Even the sun sets alone. Even the sun sets alone.
So studs are replaced now, all nice and straight. I got a fresh new gasket, looking good. Piston rings are done, so good to put the head on now. The camshafts in. Took me a while, so it's very important to check the timing because that's what we're doing here. So there is, don't know if you can see that, there's a little T there and a little stripe, and that's also, that strap's also on the crankcase, as you can see. So that needs to be lined up just like the manual says. Over here underneath the thing, it says it over here. And these notches have to be in this direction. Now obviously you have to do the right camshafts in, and this is for the external, this is for the internal side. And this one's got an R somewhere over here, and this one's got an L over here, so you know it's, this is on the left side, that's on the right side over here. And the other thing you have to check is that pin that's over the 2, which is that one, should be number 18 when you go over there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18th pin on the 3. So I have to tighten this down, so it's not perfect yet. tool in, and it's working. Can't really see it from this angle, but the shim is, it is coming free, so all I need now is a magnet to whip it out, but this tool is going to work. Well, that is it. I rebuilt the engine. It's not picture perfect, but for the first time, I'm pretty pleased. Let's put it in the bike.